Hello and welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to show you how to get rid of the PHP update required message that happens on your WordPress dashboard, which prevents you from updating your plugins and so on and so forth. So if you are on this video, you're most probably getting this PHP update required notification. So in order to get rid of it, there's a few simple steps to follow, and they're really easy. Like always, if you do find value in this video, please go ahead and give me a subscribe, hit the like button and hit the bell notification so you're always notified of upcoming videos. Alright, so let's go ahead and get rid of the PHP update required box. So in order to update our PHP, we just need to understand what PHP is first. PHP is a server-side scripting language, and it is the basis that WordPress is written on. So it is essential that this is always up to date, so your performance can always be boosted, and it also adds an extra layer of security the higher you go in your updates. So let's go ahead and update our PHP. So in order to update it, we need to access our cPanel of our domain. You can access it by having your domain name and /cPanel at the end, and then you can put in your username and password and you will access your cPanel, which typically would look like this. I'm currently on my HostGator cPanel, and this is how it should look. On the other tab, I have my Bluehost cPanel open. So as you can see, there's a lot of similarities, and the good news is to update your PHP is it's exactly the same way. So what you want to go ahead and do is type in the word multi into the search bar. Let's go ahead, there we go, and you will see the multi PHP manager right here. So go ahead and click that guy. This will take us, the next page will be all the PHP versions that we currently are on and that we have available to update to. So let's just give that a sec for that to load. There we go. As you can see, we are currently on PHP 7.0 right over here. And in order to update it, we want to go ahead and select the appropriate domain. Select that. As you select it, you will notice the apply button does illuminate. So hit the drop down and you can update to the latest version. I generally like to update to the second latest version, but I have done some research and I know that 7.4 was released in November of last year, which was November 2019. So I know quite a bit of testing has been done since then. So I'm happy to update to 7.4. After selecting 7.4, go ahead and click apply. As you can see in the top right hand corner, our PHP has been successfully updated. And now if I go back to my WordPress dashboard and give my site a refresh, the PHP update is completely disappeared because our site now runs on the latest PHP. And there we go. It's as simple as that to update your PHP. Like always, if you found value in this video and you were successfully able to update your PHP, please go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my videos. And please be sure to hit that bell notification so you're always notified of upcoming videos just like this one. Thank you very much, everyone. Cheers.